Good day everyone, I am Yashirini Velasco and today we're diving into an exciting and innovative literary genre that reflects the intersection of storytelling and technology. Our topic today is digifiction. So let's start with our objectives. By the end of the lesson, you are expected to understand the concept of digifiction as a literary genre and its role, to analyze the unique features of digifiction, including its integration of digital media, interactivity, and multimedia elements, and to appreciate the creative and cultural significance of digifiction in the digital age. So, in our introduction, the 21st century literature has evolved beyond traditional print media to embrace digital platforms, giving rise to new genres such as digifiction or digital fiction. It is a form of storytelling that combines text with digital elements such as hyperlinks, multimedia, and interactive features. And this genre represents a significant shift in how stories are created, consumed, and experienced, reflecting the technological advancements and changing preferences of modern readers. And this report explores the emergence of digifiction in contemporary, popular, and emergent literature, highlighting its unique characteristics, cultural relevance, and potential for innovation in storytelling. So, what is digifiction? So, digifiction is a literary genre that leverages digital technology to enhance storytelling, unlike traditional literature, which relies solely on text, and digifiction incorporates multimedia elements such as images, audio, video, and hyperlinks, and it often allows readers to interact with the narrative, making choices that influence the story's outcome. Like for examples of digifiction include interactive ebooks, web-based narratives, and apps that combine text with gaming elements. Like for example is the Wingscast. It is a text-based interactive fiction with choices that affect the protagonist's journey. Or the Bandersnatch, which is on Netflix. It is a hybrid of digital fiction and film where viewers make decisions that alter the storylines. So, digifiction in contemporary literature. So, in contemporary literature, digifiction has gained popularity as a medium that bridges the gap between literature and technology. Authors and creators use digital tools to craft immersive experiences that engage readers in new ways. For instance, works like The Silent History by Ellie Horowitz, Matthew Derby, and Kevin Moffett, they use GPS and augmented reality to tell a story that unfolds in real-world locations. And this blending of digital and physical spaces, it exemplifies how digifiction pushes the boundaries of traditional storytelling. So, The Silent History by Ellie Horowitz, Matthew Derby, and Kevin Moffett, it is a digifiction novel that uses GPS and augmented reality to tell a story that unfolds in real-world locations. And readers must physically visit specific locations to unlock parts of the narrative, making it a highly immersive storytelling experience. So, our next is digifiction in popular culture. So, digital fiction has also made its marks in popular culture, particularly among younger audiences who are accustomed to digital media. Platforms like Wattpad and Tapes, it have become hubs for serialized digifiction, where writers can publish interactive stories that readers can access on their smartphones or tablets. And these platforms often feature genres like romance, fantasy, and science fiction, catering to diverse tastes and fostering a sense of community among readers and writers. Like for example is the Arcana. It is a visual novel app where users engage with an illustrated, interactive story featuring multiple choices and endings. And this type of digifiction is especially popular among fans of romance and fantasy genres. And here are other notable examples include the episodes Choose Your Story. It's a mobile app where users interact with and influence narrative outcomes. And next is the Lifeline, where it is a real-time interactive fiction mobile game where users communicate with a stranded astronaut. So, our next is emergent trends in digifiction. So, as technology continues to advance, digifiction is evolving to include emerging trends such as virtual reality, VR, and artificial intelligence, the AI. So, the VR narratives, for example, it allows readers to step into the story and experience it in a fully immersive environment. And AI driven stories, on the other hand, it can adapt to the reader's preferences, creating personalized narratives. And these innovations highlight the potential of digifiction to revolutionize the way stories are told and experienced. Like for example is the Wanderlust. It's travel stories. It is a VR-based interactive storytelling ex- experience where players explore different cultures through a digital travel journal. The VR narratives allow readers to step into the story and experience it in a fully immersive environment. So the challenges and criticism. So, of course, despite its innovative nature, digifiction faces challenges including concerns about accessibility and the preservation of digital works. And not all readers have access to the technology required to experience digifiction. And digital formats may become obsolete over time. Additionally, some critics argue that the emphasis on multimedia and interactivity may detract from the depth and complexity of the narrative. Like for example, here is early hypertext fiction such as Afternoon, a story by Michael Joyce, which is now difficult to access due to outdated software compat- compatibility. And this raises concerns about the long-term preservation of digital literature. So to wrap it up, the digifiction represents a dynamic and innovative genre that reflects the intersection of literature and technology in the digital age. And by integrating multimedia elements and interactivity, digifiction offers new possibilities for storytelling and reader engagement. And while it faces challenges, its potential to transform the literary landscape is undeniable. And as contemporary, popular, and emergent literature, it continues to evolve. Digifiction will likely play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of storytelling. So here are the references. Thank you very much.